Good evening and namaskar. Today we will look at a good upcoming company called Chemfab Alkalies Ltd. It is in the business of manufacturing inorganic chemicals and PVC pipes. It has got a business. Let us see its business divisions. One caustic soda plant is there, which manufactures caustic soda, liquid chlorine, hydrogen, hydrochloric acid, sodium hypochlorate. Then there is apart from caustic soda plant, there is a chlorates plant that manufactures sodium chlorate, then chlorides, sulfates, bromates, alkaline earth, moisture, and more. There is a salt division which manufactures industry grade salt and edible salt. Then there is a PVC pipes division. The revenue mix in FY21 was chemical and related products 74%, PVC pipes 26%. The company has increased its caustic plant capacity from 125 to 155, further expected to increase it to 200 tons per day. Probably it might have completed that. In the PVCO pipes division, it has commissioned the second machine during Q4 of 2021, doubled the capacity from 300 tons per annum to 6,000 tons per annum. So capacity and expansions are going on. Caustic soda, they have received approval for enhancing from 45,600 to 56,575 tons per annum. There is a subsidiary company called Chemfab Alkalies Ltd. So Karaikal comes under Pondicherry, I think. So there also the company would wants to start manufacturing, and it wants at Karaikal it will be a greenfield project because it is new. Its Vongoval plant is proposed to be sold, perhaps sold by now. Now, the company has reduced its debt. It is now almost debt free. So a good point, no? So it is debt free company Chemfab Alkalies Ltd. The company's sales growth is very good, 28.1%. Median sales growth in every year in the last 10 years. But on the flip side, the return on equity is rather low till recently. Now I think it has improved. Dividend payout is there, that is also a bit low only. Now let us see how much they will give for the current year. Promoters' shareholding is very good at 73.35. Balance mostly public, that is about 26.58% balance. Now, if you look at the management, Suresh Krishnamurthy Rao is the chairman. V.M. Srinivasan is the CEO. There are other directors, etc. I am not going into those things. Now let us look at the quarterly results of Q1. Net sales are 98.11 crores. Previous quarter 88 crores. Year ago quarter, that is Q1 of last year, 47 crores. From 47 crores last year Q1 to current year Q1 98 crores, the jump year on year is 109%. Sales have jumped by 108.57 or 109%. Quarterly also 11.36% jump. So sales wise it's an excellent jump. There is no doubt whatsoever. Super. Now the net profit is 21.35 crores. Previous quarter just 12.82 crores. And year ago quarter just 3.06 crores. So from 3.06 crores it has been expanding its net profit like anything, and year on year growth is 598%. Quarter on quarter growth also is 67%. So it's quite good. Now equity share capital is 14.14 crores. So if you look at the performance, net sales have improved immensely. And likewise net profits. And the latest quarter Q1 is very, very impressive. Previous quarter was also not bad, but this quarter is super. The next quarter, that is Q2, is also likely to be good. Now market price is around 284. So price earning is hardly about 5. So it is tempting, price earning just 5. So people were not enthused about Chemfab Alkalies earlier. Now slowly the attention is shifting. Of late the price increase also is very good. Volumes are not bad, 1,79,500, which means buying and selling the shares of Chemfab Alkalies is very good. The share had a low of 131.45 as 52-week low. 52-week high was 296.60, which means the overall now it is very near to its 52-week high. Earlier results also were reasonably good. See, June has gone up by 108%, but earlier results also compared to their previous quarters, it was very good. If you look at the strengths of the company, the trailing 12 months EPS growth is very high, very good. Strong annual EPS growth, and it is now very near to 52-week high. So anytime it can jump beyond the 52-week high depending upon Q2 results. So quarterly growth is good in sales and net profits and net profit margin. Those things are very good. As I said, low debt also. That's a very good plus point. In the last quarter, 4 quarters, revenue has been increasing. Profits also have been increasing. Zero promoters pledge. No debt, no pledge. Very good company. Stock gained more than 20% recently, which means it has caught the attention of the investors. So profit margins are slowly rising, quarterly basis and trailing 12 months basis also. Price momentum also is reasonably good in the recent past. That is important. You buy and the price remains same sluggish, not like that. Price momentum has improved a lot. Promoters have decreased their holding slightly, very slightly, some 0.01%, something like that. So money control has given it a 69% pass. Technically it is in a very bullish phase, and it is a stock with consistent financial performance. Management is good, technical momentum is good, price momentum also is good. So I have told you about the 52-week high, 52-week low. It is now very near to 52-week high. Don't bother about that, because it is likely to overshoot over the a 52-week high any time. Market cap is low, 401 crores only, and that anyway it is to be like that. Market cap is low. It is a growing company, small company but a growing company. Its Piotrowski score is 7, indicates strong financials. Growth over the previous 3 years is good, but the earlier 3 years it was a very small company. So, but now it is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. The mutual funds almost nil. DIA is also very low. Mainly promoters and public only are there. Price performance in the last 1-2 months, almost 55% improvement in the price. Will it become a multi-bagger? Of course, nobody can predict the future, but that said, if Q1 performance repeats in Q2, Q3, Q4, etc., it could be a multi-bagger. If it repeats, conditional. Now, if you look at the last 5 years, net sales have been improving steadily, not spectacularly, except in the latest quarter, but it was improving. From 179 crores in 5 years ago to 272 crores. Profit has not improved much, from 25 crores to 29 crores. So the company is performing well. Q1 especially is very attractive. Q2 is likely to be attractive. The company is expanding. The management quality seems to be good now. They have woken up to their inner strength. I can do that. I can like that. Now the management is performing very well. Very excited management now. So this is how is the Chemfab Alkalies Ltd. Q1 was very good. Let us hope. I hope. Nobody can guarantee. I hope Q2 also will be good. Q3 also will be good. Q4 also will be good. So examine it at your end and take your chance. Chemfab Alkalies has performed very well in Q1. Or if you want to wait up to Q2, you may wait. Or if you have got sufficient courage to go ahead like me, you can invest. Thank you for listening to me. I will be back with you with another reasonably good share, maybe a very good share also. Thank you.